D is equal to this. Now we find dx 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 is equal to determinant D first column replacing by the constant value in the determinant D first column replace by constant value, that value, and the constant value is, what is the constant value in the equation is given? 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 and 3. Now dx dx equal to, first we note down the D, determinant of D, and the first column is replaced by 1 2 3 1 2 3. First column is replaced by this is the value of dx. Now simplify expand according to the first row, then find the value of determinant of 3 by 3 order. Now the first element is 1, the cofactor of corresponding element is C11, then the next element is -1, then the corresponding element is C12, then the next element taken with the sign of plus, +1, and the corresponding cofactor is C13. Now simplify this equation in the next step. C11 means first row, first column element is cancelled out. First row, first column element cancel out, and the remaining element -2, 3, -3, 1. Now simplify. C12 first row, second column element is cancelled out, and the 2 3 1. Now C13 first row, third column element cancel out, first row, third column element is cancelled out, then 2 3 -2 -3 -2 -3 Now simplify in the next step. Dx is equal to, solve the determinant of 2 by 2 order by the difference of the cross multiplication of its element. For example C11, the difference of the cross multiplication of its element, then the first diagonal element is minus 2 and 1, then the multiplication is minus 2, note down minus 2. Next diagonal element is 3 and minus 3, then the multiplication is minus 9, then minus plus 9. Now we come in the cofactor C12. The first diagonal element 2 and 1, the multiplication is 2. The second diagonal element is 9, minus 9. Now we come in the last cofactor C13. First diagonal element is minus 6 and the next diagonal element is again 6, then minus plus 6. Now simplify in the next step. Minus 2 plus 9 is equal to 7, note down 7. 2 minus 9 minus 7 minus 6 plus 6, 0, note down 0. Now simplify. Dx is equal to 7 minus plus 7 plus 0. The dx is equal to 14. Is equal to 14. Now we find the value of dy. Now we find the value of dy. Dy is the determinant of in the determinant d, the second column is replaced by the constant value. Dy, the determinant d, the second column value is replaced by the constant value. Constant value is 1, 2, 3. Then this is known as dy, determinant dy. First we note down the determinant d. Dy is equal to second column placed by the constant value. First we note down the determinant d. The second column is replaced by 1, replaced by 1, minus 2 replaced by 2, and minus 3 replaced by 3. This is the value of dy. Now simplify by according to explained in the first row. In the next step, dy is equal to, the first element is 1, the corresponding cofactor is C11. Now we take in minus sign, minus 1, minus 1. The next cofactor, the corresponding cofactor is C12. Then we take in plus 1. The next element is 1 and taking the sign plus. The corresponding cofactor is C13. Now simplify The calculate the value C11, C12, C13 in the next step. C11, determinant of 2 by 2 order by eliminating the first row, first column element. First row, first column element, and the remaining element 2, 3, 3, 1. Now simplify C12. C12 means first row, second column element is eliminating. Then the remaining element, first row, second column element eliminating. Then the remaining element 1, 3, 5, 1. 1, 3, 5, 1. 5, 1 is the value of 2 by 2 or determinant. Now C13 is the determinant of 2 by 2 order by eliminating first row, third column element. Then 1, 5, 2, 3. 1, 5, 2, 3. It is clear. This is the value of determinant of dy. Now simplify in the next step. Simplify of 2 by 2 order determinant. The first determinant of 2 by 2 order 2, 3, 3, 1. The first diagonal element 2 and 1. The multiplication is 2. The second diagonal element 3, 3. Multiplication is 9 minus 9. Now the C12 determinant. The first diagonal element is 1, 1. Multiplication is 1. And 5, 3 is 15 minus 15. Then 1 and 3 multiplication 3 minus 5 to the 10. Now simplify in the next step. Minus 7, 2 minus 9 minus 7, 1 minus 15 minus 14, 3 minus 7 minus 7. The dy is equal to minus 7 minus plus 14 minus 7. The value of determinant is 0. Dy is equal to 0. Is 0. Now dy is equal to 0. Now we find the dz. dz. dz is equal to, in the determinant d, the third column, in the determinant d, third column is replaced by the constant value 1, 2, 3. Constant value 1, 2, 3. Then this is known as the determinant dz. First we note down third column replaced by the constant value 1, 2, 3. First we note down the value of determinant of d. Determinant of d the third column is replaced by 1, 2, 3. 1 is replaced by 1, 3 is replaced by 2, and 1 is replaced by 3. Then 2, 3. Now simplify. dz is equal to the 3 by 3 of determinant, and its solution is obtained by to expand according to the first rule. Now expand according to the first rule in the next step. The first element of the determinant is 1, and the corresponding cofactor is C11, then take in -1, and corresponding cofactor is C12, then +1, and corresponding cofactor is C13. Now simplify. In the next step, dz is equal to 1 C11 first row first column element is cancelled out, then -2 2 -3 3. Now -1 is the next element, and the corresponding cofactor is C12 in the form of determinant. By relating the first row second column, then the remaining element 1 2 5 3 1 2 5 3. Now the next element is +1, and the corresponding cofactor C13 in the form of determinant of 2 by 2 order. By deleting first row and third column, then the remaining element 1 -2 5 -3. Now simplify in the next step. This is the 2 by 2 order determinant, and its solution is obtained by the difference of the cross multiplication of its element. In the first determinant of 2 by 2 order, the first diagonal element -2 and 3, then the multiplication is -6, then the next element is 3 and 2, the multiplication is -6 minus +6. Now the 3 1 is 3, the second cofactor determinant is 1 by 2, 2 by 2 order. The first diagonal element is 3 and 1, the multiplication is 3. The next element 5 2 is 10 minus 10. Now the next element is -3, and 5 2 is 10 plus 10. Simplify. 1 -6 plus 6 is 0. Note down 0. -3 plus 7 3 minus 10 equal to -7. Note down -7. -3 plus 10 is equal to +7. Note down +7. So dz is equal to 0 minus +7 with +7. The value of dz is 14. Now we find the value of x, y, z. Now x is equal to x equal to dx, the value of dx, is 14, and the value of d is equal to 28. Note down 28. Now dy, the value of dy is equal to 0. The value of d is equal to 28. Now dz, the value of dz is equal to 14. Note down 14. The value of d is equal to 28. Note down 28. Now simplify in the next step. Cancel out 14 and 28, and 14 1 is 14 and 14 2 is 28. Note down 2. 0 divided by 28, the result is 0. Now 14 1 is 14, 14 2 is 28, cancel out numerator and denominator by 14. This is the final answer of value x and y, z. If you check your answer is right and wrong, then these values put in the given equation in the question. If we certify the LHS equal to RHS, then your answer is right, otherwise your answer is wrong. Now the answer is x value is 1 by 2, then put x equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to 0, and z is also 1 by 2. Then 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1, equal to the right hand side. It means your answer is right. If you take in second row, then put all the value in the second row. If you take the third row, then these value put in the third row. You take any row and satisfy these value. If LHS is equal to RHS, then your answer is right, otherwise your answer is wrong. Is clear everyone? Now the Cramer rule is closed. Now come in the next part.